Hi, today I'm going to be showing you two biggest mistakes that every gardeners do. Number 1, not doing holes in a pot. Guys, we always do a silly mistake that we didn't do holes in a pot and we direct planted a plant. So what happened when you will give water in your pot, may your roots can be damaged or your plant may be die. So always do hole in your pot. You can do a hole with a drill machine or a hammer, then add a layer of stone, or if you don't have, so you can add a broken pieces of a pot, then you can add a soil in it. After doing this, add your plant, and thus you can grow a healthy plant. Number 2, not adding compost in your plant. Guys, so many people have done that mistake that they didn't add compost in a plant. For example, if you are growing a rose plant and you will not add a compost in it. So guys, think if you will not give food to your plant or add compost in it, so how it will grow and become a bushy. So always add compost in it. Now I'm going to be showing you some points. By following them, you can grow a healthy and a bushy plant. Number 1, soil. Guys, you have to select soil according to your plant. Number 2, watering. Never do over watering in your plant. Like if your plant needs only 1 glass of water in a week, so add only 1 glass of water. Otherwise, if you will do over watering, so may your plant will die. Number 3, season. You have to know about your plant that in which season it grows. Number 4, compost. Guys, as I told you earlier that a plant needs compost for growing. So you have to add a compost in your plant according to its needs. If it needs compost twice in a week, so add compost twice in a week. Number 5, indoor or outdoor. You should know about your plant, that is your plant is indoor or outdoor. If it is indoor, so you have to keep it indoor, and once in a week you have to keep in a bright light, not in direct sunlight. I have made a separate video on indoor plants. You can get link in the I button or in description box below. By following these 5 points, you can grow a healthy and a bushy plant. Hope you love this video, guys. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon for more notifications. Thanks for watching, guys.